Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How to set up your YouTube channel in simple steps. Creating a Google account. Google is directly linked with YouTube, so to open a YouTube account you need a Google account. If you have already Google account through Gmail and or any Google service, then you can skip this step. If your exciting Google account was initially opened for private use, you could still proceed to use it for your brand or business. Nevertheless, if you don't want to use your personal Google account for your business, then you could always open another Google account. Here's how to get yourself a Google account. Go to the Google account creation page and you will be asked to input details such as first name, last name, username, email address and your password. You may have to try a few verifications before finding a unique address. Complete the steps as direct. Creating your YouTube business account. Your Google account gives you direct access to a YouTube account. All you have to do is just link the Google account when you open YouTube. Since your purpose YouTube account will be for official use, then you will have to select the option of creating a brand account rather than a personal one. A personal account has limited feature and restricted operation interface when compared to that of a brand account. A personal account only gives you the option of you being the only person that can operate the account. Also your YouTube channel will automatically have the same name as your Google account, which want to be ideal and proper for the promotion of your business through your channel. Get a brand account. When you option for a brand account and finally set it up, you can then customize your channel for your business and use the multiple operation handle to week and grant access to your team members who will be helping you. In order to use YouTube to its potential, you will need to understand all the channel settings made available to you. Here's how to customize your brand account. Log in to YouTube using your Google account. Go your YouTube home page. Right click on your profile icon and try any action that requires a channel page. If you don't have a channel yet, the process to create on will start. At this point, you will be required to click on the Create New Channel option and enter your brand business name. You can go back to the channels page. You will find your business brand channel there. If you have previously opened a private channel, you will also find it all as a separate. Initially, the brand account gives you access to your YouTube tools such as YouTube Analytics. This tool provides you access to analytical data from your channel. Here you can see who's watching your video, how long they watch for, their location and other usable data. Personalize your channel. Your YouTube channel should be customized to fit into your current brand identity. When an exciting customer finds the channel, They should be able to immediately associate it with your brand. And when a user's first brand interaction is with your YouTube channel, they should also be able to associate it with your other communication channel when encountered. Here's how to complete the basic customization needs of your YouTube channel. Log in to your YouTube account via a computer node that you want not to be able to edit your channel images from a mobile device. In the top right of your screen, you will find a profile icon. Click on it and select your channel. Click on the profile image to upload a picture for your brand channel. The photo should be your business icon or something closely related to your business. You can then select the banner image, which will then bring up an option, Edit Channel Art. This feature allows you to upload a cover art from your channel. The cover art will appear as a backdrop of your profile picture. Another important thing you may want to do is adding links to your YouTube channel banner. This simply gives access to your other social media account to people who will view your brand channel. This is essential because it provides a one-click option for viewers to explore your other social channels. Here's the quick method to add link to your YouTube channel. Log into your YouTube on your computer. Remember that you will only have access to these features through your computer and not your mobile device. Go to your channel and select the option Customize Channel. Click on the About option, then you will see a few options pop out. Scroll down and select Link. Click on the pencil-like icon hovering over your channel banner art. An option for you to fill your information about your website and other social media links will pop out. You can choose the amount of social media links you want to add. Channel links explain. With YouTube, you can add links to your channel that are displayed at the bottom right corner. When creating a design for your artwork, it's important not to use up any of this space with anything else, such as long logos on top of them. A bit more about channel art. The first thing viewers see when they visit your channel is the channel art, a large banner that goes across the top of your page. This image helps to communicate what you are all about and give visitor an idea of personality as soon as they land on your profile. YouTube provides a list of specifications for best images quality and size. Image must be at least 2048 into 1152 pixel, but YouTube recommends using 2560 into 1440 pixel image instead to get the best possible result. This is because they are able to take advantage of newer technologies on most devices these days that have higher resolution than 1080p screen from years ago. Your channel description. A channel description is where you can provide a brief outline of the type of content see on your channel. This information appears in YouTube search result and also on your personal page for easy access by viewers who may not know that to expect from viewing their favorite videos. Your channel description is something that easily missed and got picked up by the search engine, so do not forget it. Fill it out. All of these little extras help to optimize your YouTube channel. Feature channel. YouTube is more than just a video hosting website. It's also an online community where you can share your video with viewers around the world and get feedback from other creators like yourself. The best way to show that you are not just another sheep in this vast digital field, but rather someone who invests time into creating content for YouTube is by following channel and liking their videos periodically, as well as letting them know when one of theirs has caught your eyes. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon, and thank you so much.